Alrighty. Nice to have you back. Here we are, another quick video, putting the second beam up, the second 14 metre beam. It's cut and ready. We've got it 3/4 of the way up there now. See, I've got a jacket and build a sty. Got to go up there. Now all those bearers, we're going to cut through those bearers, each one, because it's got to cut. We've got to support that. Frank, your next job is to cut that brace out of the way, and then to use whatever acros we've got to support these bearers, so we can cut through them. Okay? So that's what we're doing. We're going to put some acros in to hold these bearers because they're working upstairs. So we can't just cut through them and expect it to stay there. They're walking around on top of them, so we've got to make sure there's something underneath it to hold it up. That one there we can get with the jack on the sty. Hopefully the same with that one. Yeah, that one there is the same off the sty. So there's only 3 acros needed. And we've got that. That's good. All right. And we painted all these yesterday. This is the 9 metre. This is the one that goes up. This one here goes up on that wall there for all these others to go into. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300 C channels going in along these bearers, along there. Once we get that up there, and I can't bolt it off, unfortunately, because I can't work out how far that's going to sag until I get the weight of the 300 C channels of that floor on top of it to see how far down she's going. So I will show you how we do that. I've already done it on this one. There's one here, that post there. I pushed up the bearer 10 mil above where the line is. I've got a line all the way along that beam telling me 100 mil down from the bearer. But I've got 10 mil above that and released that post because that post is coming out anyway. And that bearer, that steel bent 5 mil. There's only a 5 mil gap above that post. Now I haven't done it with this one yet. I'm going to push that one up, undo those screws, and then push that bearer up 20 mil there, put a bolt on and see how far down she's going to come once I take that post out of the way. So I almost guarantee she's going to sit on top of that post again, because that steel's going to bend easy 20 mil once it gets all the weight on it. So we'll be checking that out as we go along, but right now we're doing this one. Okay, I've got to show Frank what we've got to do while I keep on pumping this up. Thanks for viewing, guys. Catch you again soon. See ya.